Leetcode medium problem 277, ways to express an integer as sum of powers. So we want to find out all the ways that this number n to be expressed as the sum of the x power of unique positive integer with kind of like a list, say a, b, c, blah blah blah, and the sum of this list equals to n. If we want to figure out this combination, then we have to take the first element in this array. For example, it could be anything between 1 to n, which means we're gonna do a loop. And for each possible number for A, there's gonna be a following up for B, same thing. There's gonna be another loop, and so on. Which means we have to do this recursively, and that makes this problem a DP problem. So let's say DP try to start it from number 1. Time limit exceeded, which means we go into the recursive too many times. There must be something we can save. There's one thing we can use is the cache. There's a function. There's a decorator from function tool that we can use, which gonna reuse some of the calculation if possible. 512. This doesn't work, since if we want to save some time to reuse the calculation, then we have to sacrifice the memory. This is a dilemma. I don't think there's much we can do for the thing. But since x is a number less than 5, it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. I don't think there's gonna be any issue for 2, 3, 4, and 5. The only issue will be x equal to 1. So and there's one more thing we already know, that if x is equal to 1, all possible powers, that will be something like with the assumption that x equal to 1, we can easily get this array of all the powers. And an issue for the DP, actually this is not a real DP, it's just a recursive. So there is a better way for DP, which I don't know, so I asked ChatGPT, and I'll try this solution from ChatGPT. Great. Thanks, ChatGPT.